Hello and welcome back to the Linux Panic YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be looking at making custom command aliases on Linux. Now, these command aliases could be absolutely anything you wanted to do. And I'll show you how to make temporary ones as well as permanent ones. So, let's get into the process. Now, for example, if you just search up alias in your terminal, you will get something like this. You'll just get an output of just general things that are already there on your system by default. Now these are all the default ones, so if I just do ls, we get all of these. If I do cd desktop, if I do ll again, ls, just it goes through the process because they're all there instead of having to manually sort it out themselves. So there's a few ways of doing things. We could do a short-term one. So we'll have a quick look at the short-term one. Now, it is quick and easy. It's just as simple as alias. Now the name of the command. So in this case, I'm just going to go n and then equals. And in this case, it will just be quotation mark neofetch. I just do n. There's neofetch, but because how we've entered that hasn't actually been added to the bash rc file, which is where we can save all of the commands. Now that would be for permanence, like making it permanent, so we can check to see if our aliases were in place, because as we can see here, alias n equals neofetch, but if we restarted, that wouldn't be there because it's only a temporary one. So to make it permanent and active, we need to go into bash rc. So this would be the point where you would use your editor of choice. I'm just going to use nano because it's nano. It's quick and easy. It's problem solved. So nano tilde / dot bash rc, and what you'll have here is your typical bash rc file, and at the bottom of your bash rc file is where you could add in your aliases and general other things. So for example, if I say alias and then go for I don't know, update, in this command we will do a sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade. Now what that'll do is it'll then run that command upon the alias update being produced, and we could say we want to go to a different directory. So for example, alias lp, and then it'll be equals that, it will then be cd / documents / Linux panic, and that'll be another one. But what we've just created isn't actually active, because if I just do update, my system's going to go, it doesn't know what it's doing. So to actually make it active, we need to do source tilde / dot bash rc, and what that's doing is it's re-triggering, it's just refreshing the bash rc file and saying grab it again. So if we now do alias, we now have some new commands. We have those commands in. So if we do lp, as it says, hey look, there's no file or directory. That's because I've done it wrong. So cd / documents Linux panic. So again, that would just be a gap. So we could fix that by going into not source again, coming here down to the bottom of the page, and again it's just a nice quick and easy way of creating your commands. So just say let's go documents Linux panic. No such file or directory, but that's because I've syntaxed it wrong, because it's expecting It's expecting something that isn't there because what it wants is that backslash. So we just do pwd print working directory lsla. Again, it's just a nice, quick and easy way. You can do all sorts. You can just over and over and over again just change it how you'd like to. So again, n for neofetch update, and what that'll do is it'll then run the update and upgrade commands in the background. Then, as we can see, nothing needs to be done. Unfortunately, this needs to be removed from the face of the earth. Not much I can do about that. But if you like this video, maybe consider hitting the like button and subscribing. If you dislike the video, hit the dislike button, and also leave a comment to say why you didn't like. I have been Nick, you have been amazing, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.